Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a Shopify store, adding trust badges is a great way to boost customer confidence and increase sales. In today's video, I will show you how to easily add trust badges to your Shopify store in 2025. Let's get started. Trust badges are small icons that reassure your customers that their payment is secure. Your products are high quality and your store is reliable. These badges can include secure payment badges like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, etc. Money back guarantee badges, free shipping icons, SSL, secure checkout badges, verified reviews, and trust sales. By displaying these, you can increase conversion rates and reduce cart abandonment. Abandonment. Many Shopify themes now include built-in trust badges. Here's how you can enable them. Go back to Shopify admin panel, then go to online store, then click themes, click customize on your active theme, then navigate to the footer or product page section. Look for a setting that says trust badges. Enable and customize the badges as needed. Click save and preview your store. Some themes automatically add payment methods. Some themes automatically add payment method icons at checkout, and but you can also upload custom trust badges. If your theme doesn't have built-in trust badges, don't worry, you can manually add them images. Download high quality trust badges icon from the sites like ppic, or Canva. And unzip this file, refresh this, and boom. Now go back to Shopify admin panel, go to online store and then customize. Select product page or cart page. Or badges. Here select your add your image from here. upload image, then upload the image. Adjust the placement and size, then click done. This method works best for showing badges near the add to cart button or in the footer. If you want an easier and more professional looking solution, Shopify apps can automatically add trust badges to your store. Recommended apps like Trust badges, and Icon by Abada. On Ultimate Trust badges or Trust Me free trust badges. How to install and use. Choose an app and click install. Customize badges styles, colors, and placement. Enable them on your product and checkout pages. Most of these apps offers free versions and let you add animated or interactive trust badges for better customer engagement. To build even more trust, you can add security badges to your checkout page. Go back to Shopify admin, then settings, then checkout. Add a small line of text or an image in the additional checkout scripts section. Then click Save. This reassures customers that their payment is 100% secure before they complete their purchase. And that's it. Now you know how to add trust badges to your Shopify store in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.